This is the 44-inch Hampton Bay / Home Depot Unbranded Clarkston ceiling fan. This fan was installed in the dining room when we moved in, and the blades are super dirty. It's a bronze condition, and the fan works, and also the blades are dirty. And we're going to test a demonstration of it. First the light. Sorry for the TV sound. Hopefully I don't get a copyright. Fan low. This fan's on reverse. There's medium. There's high. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Hopefully that will stop every time. Doesn't blow air at all. Okay, so that's another thing. Light. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.